Tracking serial numbers in your warehouse is easy in Acctivate. As you create a product in Acctivate, you will be required to choose a control type. When using the serial number control type, all transactions posted for this product will require the serial number to be selected or added. This control allows you to see all transactions related to that serial number specifically. Serial numbered is a control type selection that allows you to use actual cost. Only serial and lot numbered items can be costed in that manner. As you can see in this screenshot, our unit cost is shown for each serial number because we are using actual cost. This unit cost is what will be used in our cost of goods sold entry when we sell the product. You can see that if I sold the last serial number in this list, it would go into my cost of goods sold account at $30. The first serial number, though, has a unit cost of $43.50, and that's what would be used for that one. This is useful when costing your products because you can see the change in costs over time across serial numbers. It also comes in useful if your costs are constantly changing, especially if you have any landed costs for your inventory. Receiving a serial numbered product will require the serial number to be entered on the transaction to create it as a record in the system. I've also highlighted the specification that was added for the serial number as a note about that value. Expiration dates can also be added specifically to each serial number as well. Manufacturing a serial numbered part in Acctivate is done through Activate's inventory assemblies. Before you post the transaction, you will be asked to enter a serial number to add this item into inventory. When you use components in your manufacturing processes that are serialized, you'll select the serial number used on that transaction. This will allow users to trace the use of this component in your manufacturing process, as well as add the specific cost of goods sold to the final good. Whether you pick in a batch with pick lists or just one order at a time, you'll enter the serial number that was picked into the system. This allows Acctivate to keep track of the exact sales order that serial number left your possession on. The serial number can either be picked before a pick ticket or pick list is printed, or the serial number can be selected after. Scanning serial numbers into Acctivate as you receive or manufacture them is easy, thanks to the use of application identifiers. These identifiers tell Acctivate what kind of data to expect, and then Acctivate pulls it into the correct field. You can also create serial number barcodes in Acctivate with Acctivate's use of crystal reports. When tracing warranties of serialized items, there are a few ways to find out who you sold that serial number to. You can search in the customer record like you see here, or you can search in our track and trace module for that specific serial number. Once you have the serial number selected, you can create a warranty activity in our business activities module, or simply add it to a credit memo for that customer. If you need to keep track of your remanufactured products and their state of manufacture, you can trace revisions in Acctivate's inventory assemblies. Acctivate's track and trace feature includes all inventory transactions for a specific serial number. You can see here that the receipt was done in July of 2019, and so was the sale. The user can even open the sales order directly from this window as well. Thanks for joining us and learning more about serial numbers in Acctivate.